Hi, I'm going to talk about my personal setup for my Weebill S. As you can see, it's just a standard Weebill S, but we've got other features as well. The one in particular is the image transmission box underneath there, and it's connected to an A7 III. And then from there on, we have a 24 to 200 millimeter lens, zoom lens, sorry, and above that there is a Bluetooth transmitter. I think it's a ECM W1M. This one is quite useful to me because I can easily take the top off and I can quickly go into underslung mode, which makes it really convenient to do B-roll, and then plug this back in for an easy vlogging or any audio based filming. And this in particular makes it easier because I don't have to plug in anything to the side here, which is an extra step in the setup for the audio. The reason why I'm using this 24 to 240 zoom lens is that I can capture vehicles at least 100 feet away. Now this focus mode is connected to the zoom adjustment, and if I just turn it, I can go as far as, I don't know, 150 millimeters without this tipping over. If I go beyond 150, it'll definitely tip over, and I'll need to long press the POV button to reset it. Now this motor is on this side particularly because it's next to this socket which supplies the control and power to this motor, and this lead isn't long enough to be on the other side, so I left everything on this side. The disadvantage of this zoom lens is that when I turn it, the focus motor will make some mechanical noises, and it can't be helped. That's why I'm using this wireless system, because once I use the transmitter pinned on me, at least the proximity of the microphone is more towards where it's needed, rather than hearing the mechanical noise of this focus mode. To live stream, I'm using Omelette Arcane. This is a screen capture program which captures anything on my iPhone screen and outputs it to any of the platforms. As you can see, if you tap in go live, and then you'll see these options to sign in to any particular social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or RTMP. RTMP is a payable option, so I wouldn't recommend that. But if you go into something like YouTube, here you can actually go live stream, and you won't need 1,000 subscribers to live stream mobily. When you press next, you have the task of labeling and putting words to the description of the live stream. From there on in, you are actually live, and then swipe up to select the ZY Play app. Once you turn on the image transmission module and then link it to the phone's Wi-Fi, and then tap on the little icon with the line through it on your camera view, you'll see that you're live streaming through. The eraser icon on the lower right, if you tap on that, you'll remove all the icons on screen, allowing you to live stream with a normal picture. Tap on the eraser icon again and all the icons will return to screen. The three lines icon on the top right will give you the options to do many things and adjust features. Now the thing is with this phone screen is that the audio when you go live stream comes from here, so you can either connect headphone socket here and a microphone to it, making sure that you've got a TRRS microphone or some sort of adapter, and from there on you can go live, and anything you film with the camera on the gimbal, it'll go straight here and the audio feed will come straight from the phone. So even though there's a slight delay on the video, the audio is instantaneous from the source of the live stream. Anyway, I hope that this video demonstrates you my live stream setup. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more hints and tips, and I'll see you again. Cheers, bye.